right. Hello, folks. Welcome to this fine Saturday morning. Let's get started. I'm actually feeling really good about streaming now. It's getting easier after 3 of them. But, give me 1 second. I need to turn something on really quick. 1 moment, please. Lights on. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to finish off this GitHub API script. What I'm trying to do is on GitHub there's a project board. So let's pull that up. Make this full screen as well. Let's open up Firefox. Ooh, Firefox does not want to load. There we go. Okay. Github.com. If we go to the Intuitive Bayesian course and we look at the projects, there is this project board. What we're going to try and do is we're going to try and grab all the tasks from that. Actually, we already have grabbed all the tasks from that, so we're going to instead, we're going to continue to grab those tasks, but then we're also going to try and parse them into an actual data frame now. So I want to get, in particular, the high priority labels that are that have dates associated with them. This is important because I want to create a bot that helps the other instructors know what's coming up and when it's due. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing we're going to do though is we're going to change the size of this terminal. It's a little small, hard to read for folks. So let's Google Visual Studio Code. Terminal size. Okay, easy enough. Terminal font size. Here we go. Alright. Let's stick it out. Okay, better. Yeah, it's a little bigger. Alright, great. So let's run this. Okay, so this is what we get. We get this list of tasks and the due dates. What I'm going to do is, what do we want to do? We want to label this. Okay, so one thing that's hard, or at least annoying, is these don't have labels. So the easiest thing we can do is we can just create a dictionary of dictionaries. So instead of appending, we'll create task due date is a list, and then we'll say task dict equals title equals task title. Great. So now we have that. We'll need to change this here as well. and the task dictionary instead. So comment here. Task parser. Alright, let's run this again. Is not defined. Ooh, that's right. I have not done that. So let's go ahead and add in that. Run this again. Okay, perfect. So this is going to make it really easy to put this into a pandas data frame. So let's go ahead and do that as well. I might not have pandas installed, so let's create an environment. That's the right thing to do. So to create an environment, let's say GitHub bot. Going to create a specific environment for our GitHub bot. This is important because we don't want to mix dependencies. It's really good practice to put your different Python files in different places. So I'm going to install pandas. Install IPython because now we are in a environment. Need to install requests as well. That's why I should have had a requirements file. Now. Okay, we're back, and we have our environment. So great. We'll import pandas, and then now we can do df equals. Oh, we want to import pandas as PD. Data frame tasks. Let's put my data frame. Okay. So what had happened is we parsed our tasks. It actually didn't do too bad of a job, it looks like. Maybe we can just use pandas. Let's try it out. Hello, welcome. Feel free to introduce yourself in the chat. I'm happy to talk to folks. Always more fun that way. Data frame. Let's see what our columns are. So it's very similar to last time where the column values are, the field values are all these things here. What I'm wondering now is maybe I should just, instead of manually parsing everything out, I should just parse the field values out into their own data frame. That might be better because then we can get rid of the loop. So let's try that. What we're going to do is we're just going to grab out these. Thinking hard here because this is an interesting one. Should I parse this manually or should I just let pandas do most of the work for me? I think I'm gonna let pandas do most. Well, I'm gonna do this manually for now because it's less brittle, and then at a future date might switch it over to pandas. Let's just go with that. Let's exit out of our interpreter. Did I not save? Oh, it's because I need to change this. All right, there we go. This is pretty good. Now the next challenge I have is I need to filter for things that have already been completed. So maybe I need we need to get rid of things that are done. So let's go back to our script. If field name equals status. All right, let's try this. Because over here it's status, so let's go ahead and go back to our bot. Yep. And let's actually take out the Python for now. Okay. That did not help so much. Well, I can tell that these statuses correspond to something, but it is I don't know what the mapping is. So let's we're gonna have to set a breakpoint here and figure out what that is. So let's do that. Okay, now we're dropped in here. Let's see what the let's see what our field is. Okay, so the project field comes up as a numerical representation, and I don't know where in the response we're gonna get that. So let's. Might be another challenge. Let's look at the response. tough one. There's data. It's just a hacky thing. Copy this over. It is not. So I don't think we're gonna have that status. We'll just have to do it manually. That's no problem. I think we get a sense. Get a sense of what's going on. Okay, so just through reading through this, I can tell that this value here needs open. Nobody's listening to me. Let's see. This is in progress. Okay, so we'll just create a manual map for now. No big deal. So we'll say and this should be to do. And then we're going to move the data frame processing into here. It's easier. Hello, folks. Feel free to introduce yourselves and ask questions in the chat. I'm happy to catch you up. Or if you're just here to listen to some music and watch some cook. I'm fine with that too. So we can, in pandas you can do a replace. I think, yep, replace. So with replace you can pass it a dictionary, and the dictionary will replace that value with the other ones. So let's do that. Well, maybe there's an in place as well. Is there? Yeah, there is. Okay, so let's do that. Or we can save ourselves some trouble. Status map equals, that would cause an error. Okay. And now we can just say df equals task parser. We can run this. Oh, that did not work. Oh, because we did not put in place equals true. Hello, folks. Always happy to chat, so feel free to. Let's adjust these windows just a little bit so I can see the chat. That's it. Oh, small typo. Alright, we'll get back to programming in the meanwhile. Okay, so replace did not work, probably just because I didn't put in place. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Alright, so this is great. What happened is we've taken our data frame. We have what am I trying to say? I'm missing words. We've taken a data frame and we've replaced the status column, and we've taken out these labels that don't really make any sense to us and replaced them with labels that we can read and that aren't good to us. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to filter out everything that's done. I'm going to do that as an argument here. So we'll say filter done. We're going to default that to false. Which means now we can say if filter done equals, we can do this true. We actually don't even need it as true, but we'll just stick with that because I like explicit. df equals df dash status not equal to done. And that should give us a filtered data frame. Okay. Great. Ooh, that did not work. Oh, no. Did not work. Did not work. Why? Did I save? Maybe I didn't save. Okay. There we go. Perfect. The next thing I want to grab out of here is I want to grab the assignee. So let's do that. Assignees, okay. Well, Okay. Let's see what happens here. That did not work. Assignees. Okay. More than one. That did not work either. So what is a task? Let's go back to our breakpoint. Okay, so task, ID, project field, project. We don't have assignee in here. This is actually not part of the payload, which is not, not fun. That sucks. I will. Well, let's actually just Let's follow back with GitHub, because actually I do want this feature. So they say give feedback. Let's give them feedback. Would be great to get assignee and GraphQL response. Let's go find their docs again. GitHub project for data docs. Okay. Let me send this to them. It looks like they've updated this as well since we last. Oh, this is because it's the GitHub API. Let's go to the curl API.
Ready. 1, 2, 3,
Okay, great. So we've told them about that. For now, we're just gonna move on without it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna add a thing that says whether it's late or not. So import date. Actually, from datetime import datetime. Give me a second, folks. I need to go use the restroom. I'll be back in just a moment. All right, I'm back. Let's add the late indicator. So if I run this now, what we get back our tasks with our due date, and what we want to add is whether it's late or not. So let's look at the dates again here. After we're done with this, we'll close this issue. Okay. Let's make sure we get everything. Do the first 100 just because I'm gonna make sure we get everything. Great. We have 4 to-do tasks. And set our late indicator. So all we gotta do is div late equals due date less than if not dt date datetime dot date dot today. Now look that up. Date that today. Okay, it is today. Alright. That should be that. Can't use DT cluster with datetime lookup. Okay. Well, try that. Series object has no time. It's because this probably looks like a string, so what we need to do is do pd.to datetime, like that. Okay, our next issue. Okay, what are we missing? Date.today. Well, I thought we had that, but let's just try it on Python. Import datetime. Datetime.date.today. Huh. So that works. Oh, you know what it is? It's because I imported datetime as datetime. So I need to just import datetime, and this should work now. I need to change this to today. Okay, so we have got that. So what we want to do is we want to change the last one. Now, one other thing I want to do is I want to grab the labels that are associated with these tasks. Because I want to get the ones that are high priority. So let's find out where in our object. Again, let's try just adding labels to this. Don't get labels. Well, do I need to change something? Maybe we want the first 20 field IDs. So I might need to modify this query, but let's not worry about it for now. Let's just leave this as is. Yeah, I think let's just leave this as is. Okay. Less than or equal to.
Hello?
All right, and then we'll just order this. If dot sort values, we'll say late. Place equals true. And we'll do ascending equals false. Descending. Yeah, ascending. Okay.
Sorry I'm late. Bucking up takes time.
Oh, I'm putting it in the wrong place. Okay, there we go. Last thing I'll do is let's just clean this column. And we don't even need this down here. All right. Great. That about does it for this. Awesome. I'm just gonna call this script pretty much done for our purposes. Is really all we needed out of it. So yeah, I will. We're gonna stop with the parser. We got it. We're just going to leave this as is. We're gonna do one next is I'm gonna work on the. I'm gonna work on the lessons for the A/B testing. No, I'll do that offline. We'll call this good for this stream. If you ever want to see anything, be sure to just let me know what that may be. Always enjoy you folks stopping by, and greatly appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday.